Pterodactyl here with another appetizer. And this appetizer is going to be on this here Onan P engine. Now, if you got one of these Onan P's with this Nikki 6 carburetor on it, the carburetor kit is very expensive. Or you can go on eBay, my favorite store, and you can buy a knockoff carburetor for about $37. But say you don't want to do that, you know, you just want to put a new needle in, which is the case with this one. This one came in and it was flooding out every once in a while because the needle valve wasn't sealing. So I looked at that and I go, that's the same as the one on the Briggs Vanguard, because they use that Nikki engine. They use that Nikki carburetor. So here's a carburetor manifold off a Vanguard, a Briggs Vanguard. So see, it's very similar. And it uses the same needle valve in here, which is this here one here, because we already replaced this one. See, there it is. This one had a big ring around it, a big ring groove bore in it. So I went upstairs and got the Briggs & Stratton one that we stocked for the Vanguard. See, there it is, exact same one. And there's the part number, 797410. I think this needle is around $12. Your price may vary. And now you're thinking to yourself, well, what if I take it apart, Taryl, and I tear that gasket? Is that Briggs & Stratton gasket going to be the same? No, it's not. It's different. It matches up a lot of the holes and stuff, but you would have to ammonicate it to make it work. And you know what Briggs & Stratton wants for this gasket? They want about $25 for this gasket. Yeah, I know, you just fell off your chair, didn't you? So if you're going to spend $25 for this gasket, you might well go on eBay and buy the whole carburetor. But if you take it apart and you don't damage the gasket, you could always use it over and you could just buy the needle. So there's my appetizer for today. That you can replace that needle with the Briggs one without having to buy that expensive Onan carburetor kit or the whole knockoff carburetor on eBay. Woo! Onan needle replacement with Briggs & Stratton part! Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Go to our web store and buy some Taryl apparel, support the channel. And then as always, there's your dinner. Woo! Onan. Interchangeable part.